I'm getting ready to teach online, so I apply a light makeup. And for my lips, I'll be using Wonder Blading Lip Stain Mask. A quick disclaimer here, I received this product free to try. The color I got is Divine. So here are the instructions. And for bolder finish, wait 30 to 60 seconds before removal. Okay, now it's time to wipe it off. Wow. Oh, that looks great. I don't even need a second time. This is so gorgeous. And my lessons are 90 minutes. So it's a lot of talking. It's gonna withstand a lot of talking. Wow, that is so great. That is awesome. I don't have to worry if my microphone gets too close to my mouth. Oh my gosh, I just love it. Wow, that is so great. And it took me so little time to get ready for my lesson.